Go to your professional dashboard. You can access it directly from your page by clicking on Professional Dashboard. In the dashboard, scroll down and click on Tools. Look for the Page Recommendation section. If you don't see it here, go to your page settings, then tap on Page Setup. There, you should find the recommendation option. Under that section, you'll see Page at Risk. Click on Review Content. Tap on the Options menu and begin deleting all the flagged posts. Make sure every flagged post is removed. This is important. Once all flagged content has been deleted, go back to the recommendation section. Your page should now be eligible for recommendations again. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.